Let's talk for a moment more about the first page of the project plan, the diagram. The diagram, there's a couple of different things that you should be able to get from the diagram. One should be what is in scope, and the second thing is what is out of scope. Those two elements are important for having a project be successful. The clarity about what you will try to do and what you won't try to attack is important for knowing where to apply your resources and what problems you're actually trying to solve. The diagram also is helpful if it gives a sense of what's important and what will be the meaningful outcomes of the project, what will be the success criteria of the project. All of this could be described in many, many more pages, but to the effect that you can get it onto a single slide that people come back to again and again on the project to describe their aspect, their part of the project, all of that is very helpful in creating a common sense of what the project is about, particularly if it's a large team size working on the project. That becomes sort of an icon that is used in describing the project to external parties as well and communicating internally what happens on the project. But the diagram is really the heart of the project. It's what someone wants to own. It's why someone wants to pay for the project. So spend some time on the diagram, get agreement from the stakeholders on what is to be done and why it's to be done.